So hello guys, welcome to our channel gossipfunda. My name is Tejas Koshti. Now today's we'll look about how to combine two videos, okay? How to combine two clips and make a single video. Now here this our video is in four parts. First part we learn how to combine videos in Android, second in iOS, third in video editing software using the video editing software, and fourth is online method. So in our list there the first is Android, so video combine apps for Android. Okay. So yeah guys, first in our list is video joiner. Okay, as the name say that this application used for video joining. Here you see the some screenshot, you edit your two footage or two clips and they combine and you make a one single video. Also you trim it. If you don't want this part, you also trim this part in your video. This is our first application on our list. Second application in our list is Android Video. Okay, it is video editor, video maker, and photo editor also. That means you combine your video as well as photos also. Now here you see some screenshot. Okay, they have the 4.1 rating, which is silently good. Third in our list, all of you know this application. It is VideoShow video editor. It is absolutely free and it is for editing application. Here you see the screenshot. You combine lot of clips, you combine videos as well as photos. Okay, you trim your videos. A lot of option was given and they have the 4.5 rating, which is silently good. The fourth in our list is video merge. Okay, it is very easy to use application. What you need to do, just put your two clips and they edit your clips automatically. Your video was done and you upload in an platform, and they have the 4.7 rating, which is absolutely good. Fifth and the last in our list is video merge. Okay, it is also joiner and it supports all type of format: mp4, 3gp, mk, anything. Okay, what you need to do, just put your two clips and they merge, and it supports the all type of resolution. You make your video in full hd also. So this five application for Android. Now next our list is next application for iOS users. Okay, first in our list is iMovies. All the iPhone user know this application. It is free to use. Okay, it's absolutely free and it is very handy to use. So here you see the screenshot. What you need to do, just put your footage or clips application and they merge in just one click. So they have the 4.3 rating out of 5, which is very good. So first in our list is iMovies. Now the second one is Splice. Okay, in our list is Splice. It is available for both platform Android as well as iOS, but it is best for iOS. Okay, same procedure you follow. Just add the two clips and merge it very easily in just one click. So third in our list is Vimeo. It is the very known platform. Okay, you make videos as well as post it on this platform, and you show your talent to all the world, same as YouTube. Okay, create, merge, grow, anything you want to do. So it is this app, three application for the iOS users. So fourth method is for a PC and laptop users. If you have a PC and laptop, you knowing a lot of software was present in our market, which is used for video editing. So one of them I am using Filmora 9. So here the simple step, what you need to do, just click right and add footage you want to merge or the combine. Open it. It's take some time and just add one footage. Make choose resolution and second, and yes, the work is done. If you want to trim, just click here, trim extra part and delete it. And after this, just click export and your video was done. So it is the best method, and it is the third method for combined video. Okay, all of the software list I will put in the description, so don't forget to check description. They are the free softwares, and but they don't give any watermark. Now the fourth and very easy method I was use, it's just it's online method. So what you need to do, just type the combined videos online, and you find it a lot of website. They are very handy to use. So I choose one website. Okay, very simple step. What you need to do, just upload a clips. Okay, here I using this website. So they they want a file. So I was go to my videos. I going to my videos. Okay, and here Gossip Panda and edit this two footage. Just upload this two footage and they automatically merge this video. It is supported all type of version of videos. Okay, and it is safe. So yeah, this is processing was done and my clip was ready. So here I choose a resolution, which resolution I want. I want this video for YouTube, so I choose the YouTube resolution. Okay, and here I just drag and drop, and second file was this, and just click export. So yeah, this is the fourth and best method, online method. Guys, don't forget to check out our Gossip Fanda YouTube channel. Here we uploaded latest tech related videos, which videos will help you in your day-to-day life. Okay, so please check out this channel, and if you like this video, please give the big thumbs up. It will be motivate me. So thank you so much for watching this video.